Hello students, welcome to Careers360. The CUET round 2 cutoffs were announced this weekend, and a lot of students have been asking us to do a program-wise analysis of a certain program and what are the colleges that are offering that program and what kind of cutoffs will get you into that program. So right now, what we already covered on BCom honors, we covered economics, we covered political science. What I'm about to cover now is the stats and allied counselors, which is statistics, mathematics, and even computer sciences. All these things is what we're going to cover now. All the colleges that offer these programs and what kind of cutoff happened in the current year at the end of round 2 and what happened last year at the end of round 3 and by the time the counseling ended also. So I'll show you all the data. We're comparing round 2 of the current year versus what happened previous year, and across DU is what we're talking about at this point in time. Now, a lot of students also have reached out to us saying they were looking for admissions into private universities also. So for that, we opened a helpline. You send us this is the number, note down this number, 8130376334. 8130376334. If you want to get into any private universities or explore the options of private universities, send us a message, apply, and we'll actually have a counselor call you up. And if you want to get into any of the foreign universities setting up campus in India, about 12-15 of them are setting up campus in Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, and all, then you send us a message foreign on the same number, which is 8130376334. And one of our universities who understands that space will also call you up. Now, please do subscribe to Careers360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves based on information, data, and we're collating and collecting a lot of data for you. And this is a series that we're doing because this CUET is slightly complicated and complex also. And this CUET information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World Universities rankings. Now, about this particular thing, we're talking of B.Sc Stats and Allied Cutoff, which is stats, mathematics, computer science, and everything. We'll start from here. The most competitive seems to be the Hindu College at this point, and B.Sc Honors Statistics. This year, the current cutoff is 840.07 after round 2. Last year, it ended with 848.63. St. Stephen's comes in B.Sc Honors Mathematics, 827.47 in the current year after round 2. Last year, after round 3, it was 807.32. But by the time it finished, it went up to 834.08 also, which means it spiked. There is greater demand after a point in time. Then comes Lady Shri Ram College for Women, B.Sc Honors Statistics, 826.64 in the current year after round 2. Last year it ended with 827.72. But our general experience has been this year it's been a lot more competitive, and to that extent, the better programs and better colleges have been, they've seen a spike about 5-7% in terms of the scores. Kirorimal College, B.Sc Honors Statistics, 813.84 in the current year. Last year it ended with 822.76. Hindu College, B.Sc Honors Mathematics, 808.10 in the current year. 818.35 is what happened. Now, what happens is by the time you finish the thing, at the last round, there might be a spike. But typically, if you see round 2 and round 3, they're lesser. And I'll show you how. Ramjas College, B.Sc Honors Statistics, this year it's 788.01. Last year, after round 3, it was 772.75, which means it fell, right? But by the time it ended, in the spot round, it went up to 811.71 also. Sri Venkateswara College, B.Sc Honors Statistics, 780.09 in the current year. Last year, it's 806.73. Lady Shri Ram College for Women, B.Sc Mathematics, 776.3 in the current year, 779.24 in the previous year. Hansraj College, B.Sc Honors Statistics Mathematics, 772.70 in the current year. Last year, round 3 was 763.53. It ended with 816.97. So if you see the spike that happened from round 3 going up to the last round and the spot round also. Hansraj College 761.83 for B.Sc Honors Computer Science. It ended with 784.35 in the previous year. Kirorimal, B.Sc Honors Mathematics, 739.93 in the current year. Last year it was 764.01 in the last round. So it would have been lesser possibly in the beginning. Shahid Sukhdev College Business Studies, B.Sc Honors Computer Science, 733.93 in the current year round 2. 791.68 by round 3 in the previous year. Ended with 799.68. Miranda House, B.Sc Honors Mathematics, 730.75 in the current year, 712.41 in the previous year after round 3, 758.14 is where it ended. Ramjas College, B.Sc Honors Mathematics, 718.08 in the current year, 727.38 in the previous year, 752.26 in the by the time it ended last year. Sri Venkateswara, B.Sc Honors Mathematics, 703.45 in the current year, round 2, 712.71 in the round 3 last year, 730.78 in the by the time it ended last year. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College, B.Sc Honors Computer Science, 689.41 in the current year, 704.66 in the previous year, round 3 cutoff, 724.31 by the time it ended last year. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College, B.Sc Honors Mathematics, 684.69 in the current year, 673.21 by round 3 last year, 705.73 by the time it finished last year. Ramlal College, B.Sc Honors Statistics, 683.37 in the current year, It ended with 712.45 last year. Ramanujam College, B.Sc Honours Statistics, 679.89 in the current year, 708.28 in the previous year by the time it finished. This year it's round 2, remember that. Sri Guru Gobind Singh College for Commerce, 665.26 in the current year, 754.82 it was last year. Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, B.Sc Honours Computer Science, 660.95 in the current year. Last year, by round 2. Last year, round 3 was 647.69. It ended with 695.42. Daulatram College, Women, B.Sc Honours Mathematics, 643.52 in the current year, 685.37 in the previous year. Indraprastha College for Women, B.Sc Honours Computer Science, 640.92 in the current year, 676.63 in the previous year. Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, B.Sc Honours Mathematics, 638.59 in the current year, 678.18 in the previous year. PGTIV College, B.Sc Honours Statistics, 635.27 in the current year, 688.15 in the previous year. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya College, B.Sc Honours Computer Science, 619.39 in the current year, 675.73 in the previous year. Shahid Bhagat Singh College, B.Sc Honours Mathematics, 617.19 in the current year's round 2, 606.17 round 3 last year, 659.27 is where it ended by the time I went to the spot round. Jesus and Mary College, Women, B.Sc Honours Mathematics, 611.15 in the current year, 661.84 previous year by the time it ended. Now, what we've shown you is actually only for mathematics, statistics, and computer sciences. Remember that. We've already done for BCom honors, we've done for political science, we've done for economics, we're doing this, and we'll do a couple of other such program-wise things also, so that you know if you want to really study this particular program, this particular subjects, then this is the way to go. We've shown you all the colleges that offer that particular program and the kind of cutoff that you want. If you still think that you need some help in because you're not getting a program of your choice or a college of your choice and you want to explore the other options, which is private universities, send us a message apply on 8130376334. And if you want to get into any of the foreign universities campus being set up in India, send us a message foreign on WhatsApp on the same number 8130376334 and our counselor will call you up. Do subscribe to Careers360 because we're creating a lot of content to help the CUET aspirants decide for themselves based on data and information. And this CUET information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much. Namaste.